Hey there. So, I'm here to walk you through securing your data using Azure SQL Database. It's like setting up a high-tech fortress for your precious data. Now, we know Azure is pretty slick at securing the data they hold, but when you're talking about data in your own hands, a good security posture is about taking control and making sure everything's lockstep. Let's dive in. Picture this, it's the present, but within the walls of Azure SQL Database, there's this sofa complex world where only the worthy can go scot-free with your data. To start with, I've set it all up with identity and access management. Think of it as a VIP club where only tickets to your data are issued by you. Azure Active Directory works like the bouncer, checking IDs before letting anyone in or out. And guess what? MFA is part of this security spiel. So if someone tries to access your data, they better have the golden ticket and the secret handshake. Data encryption is another biggie. Azure ensures that even if a snoop gets their hands on your data, all they see is a bunch of unbreakable code. Just like a secret language only masters can decipher. This encryption protects data at rest and in transit, making sure it's just not staring at you on your screen, it's hiding in plain sight, protected against prying eyes. Then came my next revelation, Azure's network security features, integrating with Azure Virtual Network and private links. It's like having invisible bouncers at the doors, filtering out unauthorized access to your database. No data slips away unnoticed, they gotta clear a sophisticated security hurdle first. Now, on to advanced security, which feels a lot like being in those high-stakes cybersecurity tales. Microsoft Shield Advanced Threat Detection and Azure Sentinel are the Sherlock Holmes and Watson of the digital world, hunting down threats like anomalies that don't belong in the data ecosystem. This isn't just about detecting, it's about responding in real time, cutting off threats before they even have a chance to punch a hole in your defenses. And let's not overlook Azure's insider and credential risk protection. Imagine a world where the riskiest insiders are like these phantom hackers, often the ones you trust. It's like saying no, they might be friends for life, but for data, they're like wolves in sheep's clothing. Azure's smart to catch these insiders misusing access privileges, even if they're wearing your credentials like a badge of honor. Now, you might have heard whispers of threat intelligence. Azure goes beyond the noise, tapping into feeds and alerts to keep its database updated with info about threats, keeping it one jump ahead of those dark intentions plotting your data demise. Then there's the backdoors and covert channels. Azure's got that under control too. With advanced access tier controls and encryption, it's like those nefarious spies are playing Monster Mash, trying to find a sneaky entry, and Azure dances right past their little trap, closing all backdoor and secret passages to your data with the sleight of hand only a tech titan can master. Azure also dishes its own take on compliance, a veritable buffet of standards like ISO 27001, GDPR, and SOC 2. Imagine setting up a round table of international knights sworn to protect data as per their honor codes. If compliance is your battleground, well, Azure is already fielding elite forces, GDPR ready, HIPAA on its side, ready to stand guard. Got encryption keys under your command? They're in Azure's arsenal too. With key management solutions, you're the cryptographer, and Azure is the high-tech vault. It's like each key is a treasure, with Azure handling the security treasure chest so even the best pickpockets won't snag what's not theirs. Now, It's time to sharpen your digital sword with Azure's security best practices. MFA for life, just like with humans, always, everywhere, as much as it gets in the real world. Access reviews are not to be underestimated. Every once in a while, reevaluate who gets the keys to your data kingdom. Keep backups safe, not just in the safe of your imagination but Azure, with its robust and distributed approach. Lastly, remember to are more up with Azure policies. Don't roll out bare metal scenarios. Policies ensure it's always secure, always compliant. Azure's policies are the chivalrous code, the way of digital knights guarding your domain. Now, to secure your data with Azure SQL Database, it's not just about getting the technology, it's like joining an elite squad. You've got to understand the landscape, the threats, and the best defenses in play. It's about staying curious, staying updated, and most importantly, having a tech-savvy shield maiden by your side, like myself, and the resources like TechLab at your fingertips. So grab your laptop. Let's roll out those virtual sleeves and get to securing, secure, and secure. Remember, data's always on the move, and if you are not setting up the fort, there's no telling who will end up in your backyard plotting. So secure it up, keep those threats at bay, and because, well, life's short and the World Wide Web's vast, why not let someone who can spill all the goodies tech-wise? Just hit up neeraj.qzz.io, drop by, and become a TechLab subscriber, and we'll keep things safe and sound. Peace out.